Hello everyone! The AI world is moving super fast, and every week we see something new. But today, I'm going to show you something really exciting. Google has launched a brand new tool called Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. This AI is insanely good at image generation and editing, and in this video, I'll walk you through its amazing features. Plus, I'll share 2 simple methods you can use to access Nano Banana for free. So, let's get started. First, let's start with Google AI Studio. After logging in, you'll see an option to select different Gemini models. At the top right, I'll choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. That's Nano Banana. Now you can type any text prompt in the box and click Run. I entered this prompt, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars above the skyline, and hit Run. The result was mind-blowing. The sky glowed in orange and purple, and the flying cars looked like they were pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. What I liked most was the detail. Buildings had depth, cars reflected the sunlight, and the whole scene felt alive. Honestly, I could see this being used as concept art for a game or movie. Next, I tested multi-image editing. I uploaded a photo of a model and another image of a dress, then typed, "Make the model wear the dress while keeping the original design," and hit Run. The AI did a great job. The dress wrapped naturally around the model without stretching or breaking the design. The shadows and folds looked super realistic, almost like a professional Photoshop job. If I had to rate it, I'd give this a solid 9/10 because it looked so polished. So, overall, Google AI Studio feels powerful and reliable. It's perfect if you want high-quality results. The only downside is that the free credits are limited, so you can't use it endlessly unless you upgrade. But for testing in small projects, it's fantastic. Now, let's move on to the second method, LM Arena. LM Arena is a platform for testing AI models, and the best part is that it's completely free and unlimited. You don't need credits, which means you can generate as many images as you want without worrying about limits. To make images from LM Arena, click the Image Generate option from Prompt Box, then click on the top and select Direct Chat, then select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, Nano Banana. Now let's try something here. I typed this prompt, a cyberpunk street at night with neon lights, rain on the ground, and people holding umbrellas, and hit Enter. The AI generated an amazing scene, glowing neon signs, wet reflections on the pavement, and umbrellas glowing under the lights. It looked like a cinematic shot from Blade Runner. Compared to Google AI Studio, I'd say LM Arena gave me a moodier, more artistic result. Next, I tried a magical forest with glowing mushrooms and a small wooden bridge over a stream, and hit Enter. This result blew me away. The mushrooms actually glowed like lanterns, and the bridge had a fairy tale vibe. The colors were rich and dreamy, almost like a fantasy book cover. For creative storytelling or illustrations, this kind of output is golden. The best thing about LM Arena is the freedom. You can experiment endlessly, try different prompts, and push the limits of creativity. Sometimes the results are less polished than Google AI Studio, but honestly, the fact that it's unlimited more than makes up for it. If you're someone who likes to explore and experiment, LM Arena is the place to go. So, to wrap things up, Google AI Studio gives you an official, polished experience, but with limited free credits. LM Arena is completely free and unlimited, which makes it perfect for endless experimentation. Both platforms are amazing. It really depends on whether you want high-quality results with limits or unlimited freedom with a bit of variety. Now I'd love to hear from you. What kind of images would you create with Nano Banana? Drop your ideas in the comments, I'll be reading them. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating amazing AI art.